Hello, welcome to my apartment. Right now it looks like this. So it's really a small studio. I have big windows, high ceilings, have a little table, and we're moving things inside. The first thing you see is this little plastic thing where I put my boots, my shoes, I have my rug, and then I hook my clothes behind the door so they don't take too much place, and this makes my little entryway. Here I wanted to show you the view from the front door. As I think you can remember in my first vlog, the big windows. Now I have my curtains, and I opened the curtains so to let some light come in the apartment. I really love. That's why I have huge windows, because I want to be able to have light coming in the apartment. I have this little piece of furniture that I bought at IKEA, and I think it was around $60. And it's where I put my books. I put my books here and my bags. And there's also storage for other stuff. This wall here is like the centerpiece of the apartment. It's really know what you see when you come in, and it's the beautiful part of the apartment, you see. So a lot of the things, decorative things I bought in IKEA, a few things I bought in the thrift stores, and I bought my pen pass online, and it took a while to get them because I was indecisive and I couldn't decide, and then I just ended up buying them, and I'm really glad I did. This beautiful vase here is from IKEA. When I saw it, I was like, I need that. It was really unnecessary, but I just felt like I needed the place to represent me, and I just need to be in a beautiful space. And if I'm moving out of my parents' house, at least I'd have to do like an effort to decorate where I'm gonna be, and I'm really glad I did, because I really this gives me the feeling that every time I come here, I'm coming into my cocoon. And the beautiful mirror that you saw in my first vlog, I ended up painting it in gold. And I have this here, it's a little sponge, and I have this, I bought it at Dollar Max. Like, it's like a kind of 99 cents kind of store, a bit more expensive than that because not everything is 99 cents like a Dollarama. But yeah, sometimes you find things that are a bit fancier, and you find a lot of things, so I really love that store. And yeah, so I'm going over my mirror. Like you can see, I have tape, and those prints, actually I'm gonna show you. I printed them, I did them myself. Actually, I did them myself, except this one and another one that I didn't put on the wall yet, but except this one. But the other one I did it myself on Canva, because I was looking at the website to buy prints, and they were like $30 each, and I was, wait a minute, $30 for a print? I can just go and print that at Staples. So I did it on Canva, which is a website. I'm gonna link in the description box below. And I bought my frames. These ones are the frames you saw in my last vlog that I bought at the Renaissance, and there we have it, a beautiful wall. And I really regret not print this myself, because it was way too expensive for what it was. Then we have my bed. I really love my bed. I don't know, my bed is kind of a decorative a beautiful piece also. It gives a vibe to the apartment, and that's why I took the time, bought some little pillows, to make it look good and comfortable. And I really love that comforter that I have. I bought it at Linen Chest. Is it Linen Chest? Anyways, I bought it there and it was on sale. And when I went to the Linen Chest, I really went to in the sales section. I wasn't looking at anything else, and there was something that I wanted, and I saw, and I was like, I want this one, but they were out of stock, or it was way out of my budget. I don't remember why. I think it was out of stock. So I ended up taking my second choice, and I really don't regret it. It's like this beautiful, there's this beautiful like I don't know, design. It's like old-fashioned design, but it's beautiful, and it's like this beautiful off-white, and it makes the difference because the other one that I was gonna take, it was white, and I think it would just blend into the apartment because the walls are white. It wouldn't have given the same effect, and it goes well with my color palette in this apartment as well. Here it is, my bed from this side, and with the windows. This painting I actually did myself. I really love it. When I look from here, I just feel like it's just at the right place. I don't know how to explain it. It gives me like a museum vibe. And here I have like this cute table that I bought at IKEA. This table was really not expensive. I think it was maybe, it was less than $20. It was really not expensive. And this little vase, one of them I bought at IKEA, and the little light thing, I bought it actually at Dollarama. I just saw it and I was like, it's cute, it's a cute piece, and I took it. I have this little jeté that I bought actually at Walmart. Here we have my plant that I called Winella. Winella because of my last co-workers. I think plants, brings life and gives, that beautiful pop of color of green. I really like it. Yeah, my mom gave me that plant because she has like a ton. I have a little one here that I love. And over here we have like this wardrobe that I've moved. And here you can see me have a mirror here. I bought this mirror because I just wanted a long full body mirror, and also I just think it has something to the place. Also I feel like the walls are kind of empty. I could add pictures of my family, my friends. We're gonna see if I stay here. I'm gonna add more stuff. Here we have this carpet, this rug. Actually there are two rugs that I've put together and I bought just recently. I don't know, it's growing up on me, I'm gonna say, but I wasn't sure when I first put it here because kind of give me like the Highland vibe, fake island vibe, and I didn't like it. That's not what I was going for. I just took the blue because it goes with my painting, it goes with the color of the apartment, but it gives me like fake island vibe because I have like plants and fake leaves here. So but it's kind of growing on me. I kind of like it now. I guess some things you just have to put them there and appreciate them and just like them at some point. So that's it. So yeah, And from this perspective, there's the kitchen. This table, let's talk about this table first. This table, guys, I think I changed my bed like position like 3 times before I just went for that position that it is now. And this table, I changed it recently, and I think I like it better like this. The reason why I changed the table position of the way it was oriented, it's because I want to be able to receive people in this tiny place, and the way it was set before was taking too much place. And I know we're in a pandemic, so I'm not gonna receive people now, but I'm just thinking about it. If I want, how I can organize this space so I can receive maybe 2 people at least. That's why I put my bed in this position, because people can sit, and it makes like an open space, so people can sit, and it kind of serves like a sofa, just to be able to receive people, if that makes sense. But that's just thinking about the future. We're not set about the future yet, so we'll see. My kitchen is a little bit of a mess right now, I'm not gonna lie. I did that between classes, so I didn't have the time to clean dishes, okay? Thank you. So yeah, I have all the space that I need to store things. Here in this cabinet, I have my plates, bowls, and other stuff, as you can see. Here is where I store like food, tea. I don't have a lot of things, as you can see. I don't need that much. And here it's more for the spices, stuff like that. So yeah, and I have like my bottles of water, because I don't do water bottles, plastic water bottles. And I have like this little clock here. I have a candle that I light up from time to time just for the scent. It's a lavender candle. And I have my microwave here and my tiny little plant. She's new to the family, welcome her. She's gonna grow, and I can't wait till when she grows, because like she's gonna fall, and I think I'm gonna put her on my wardrobe. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Okay, this is really unnecessary, but it was just like a little touch that I wanted to add. And you know, sometimes you see things and you buy them, but they're really not necessary. Actually, I did the painting on it. It was just this shape that I saw, and I was like, oh, it's cute. I can, incorporate it in my decor, and ended up being this. The bathroom was actually the hardest place to decorate. If it was for me, I would just renovate the bathroom completely. Since I cannot do that, I just added some little touches, and everything else on my products that I use on a daily basis. And I also bought some hooks so I can put my stuff behind the door. Anyways, that was it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. Tell me what you think about this tiny little place. Do you like how it came out? Comment below, like, subscribe, guys. Just help your girl, because that's how the YouTube algorithm works. And I was really happy to do this video for you guys. See you in the next video. In the meanwhile, take care of you guys.